Beautiful piece, really nice in, of course, the finish and design. Every single intricate, tiny detail on there that you would ever want and need. Now, I've never really known too much about George Washington's actual flintlock pistol, but one presumes that it is somewhere in a museum, and it is a very iconic piece, and of course signifies even more so of, oh, there's something cool. That's the laser etched serial number on the top there, number 121 of 1776. So one presumes, oh, and there's the Spectre's logo. I found it on this one, couldn't find it on the Gishi Shield from yesterday's video. But yeah, absolutely amazing.